Hey, greetings from Texas. Welcome to another installment of my Cooking with Prep series, where I try and review shelf stable foods, things that you can keep in your emergency food pantry, or I'll try to find interesting ways to prepare those dishes to make them palatable. So, today we're going to try one of my favorite dishes, which is beef goulash. Now, this is not American goulash, this is basically goulash from what I've experienced is a Hungarian dish. Um, my mom used to make it, and the primary seasoning is tomatoes and Hungarian paprika or smoked paprika. I cook it myself, but the way my mom cooked it was onions, potatoes, and she served it over rice. The way I cook it is like a beef stew. I put in carrots, potatoes, lots of onions, and celery. I've eaten goulash in Germany. There it was served over spatzel. I had it in Austria. It was just served with bread in a bar. And I've had it also with egg noodles. So those are typical ways to do it. So here we have a brand called Podravka. I bought this on Amazon, and this is a product of the United States of America. So I went ahead and bought 6 cans, and I'm going to try out this dented can. So inside we have water, cooked beef, reconstituted tomato, beef tallow, wheat flour, salt, paprika, spices, garlic, sugar, vinegar, MSG. No artificial ingredients. Serving suggestions: serve with potatoes, rice, or pasta for a quick, nutritious, and convenient meal. Serves 1 to 2 people. Now you could microwave, and we're going to cook it on a cooktop. Here is the nutritional information. You can pause it if you're into that. There's 1.3 servings per container, and it has 270 calories. So for me, that would be just one person for a can. So let's go ahead and I'm going to prepare it on my off-grid butane stove. If you're not familiar, this is what I would use in a grid down emergency. I also use it to fry food because I don't like to fry inside, and I can do all my frying outside. So let's pop this can. Now this has a best buy date of March of 2026. So that's quite a decent shelf life. That's what we're looking at. So let's go ahead and pour it in our pan. And I find it's much better without the top. Down in the can, you can see that's the beef tallow, so we're going to leave that out. So let's go ahead and let's heat this up. And we'll come back in a few minutes. All right, folks, we've been heating it up for about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and shut her down. All right, pretty soupy. And if I was going to make this, I would go ahead and make some noodles or instant mashed potatoes or rice. Got a lot of gravy there to sop up. Anyway, that would extend this meal out quite a bit. Let's go ahead and give the broth a taste. That's good. Good flavor. We have all kinds of white bits in here. Let's try a chunk of the beef. It's really tender. So if you don't have teeth, you could manage this. Give you another look at that beef. Got a lot of fatty bits in here, but in an emergency, that's not going to be an issue. It shouldn't be an issue. All right, folks, for a canned meat dish, I think this is pretty good. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed this look at Podrovka beef goulash, product of the USA, refrigerated after opening. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead and check out my playlist for other videos in my Cooking with Preps playlist. As usual, I appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.